my beloved teacher, parents, my friends, and my dear juniors. One day, one fine day, and it will be your day. And this is my day. I'm very proud and very grateful for standing here in front of you guys. First of all, I would like to congratulate to my fellow friends, including myself, for finally graduating today. Today, I would like to thank some people who actually helped me through this wonderful journey of mine. First and foremost, I would like to thank my mom. She is my everything. She is the main reason for what I'm standing here today. As a single parent, I know how much she struggled for brought me up. After I finished my SPM examination, I had many dreams in my studies. I wish that I will go for Institusi Perguruan IPG, but unfortunately I didn't get that opportunity. When I feel everything failed around me, luckily I got KPM stating that I got an offer for study STPM at SMK Sri Serdang. Frankly, at the beginning, I really not excited for study STPM at Sri Serdang. So, but later on, my mom said that take the opportunity that you get now, and one day you will achieve what you dream for. So I take that her words, I take that for granted, and I just changed my mood to study STPM and just forget about the opportunities that I didn't get. So as my mom, she always will wake up early at 5 o'clock at the morning for me to do breakfast for me and ready up for me for the school, even though her work starts at 9 a.m. So she sacrificed her time, her sleep for me to study. She will always make sure that I got all the books for me to study STPM. And eventually, whenever I do revision, I always will ask her to do a cup of coffee for me because I really like coffee, and sometimes she will like very angry lah because I just asking her to making her coffee, but I just feel very grateful whenever she make a coffee for me. Just enough for me to do a revision, and it will boost me up. So thank you for everything, mom, you have done for me. Moving on to my beloved teachers who has taught me. In this journey, I myself got feel like giving up many times. Whenever I feel a particular chapters is very hard for me to understand, but my teachers will believe in me that I can do it. They always push me to get good grades in my exams. They always believe in me. My teachers will tell me that you should be hardworking a person, then only you can achieve your dreams, and that it really works for me. Being hardworking person, it's really helped me to achieve more in my STPM exam. I think that me and my friends will get a great exam results STPM. So thank you so much, teachers, for giving me knowledges, advices, and make me a better person today. I really love you. After that, my main pillars of my life is my friends sitting in front of me. Without them, I don't think so I could done this. Although we chit chat many other things, not about studies in our class, but we always make sure that we teach each other about the questions we don't understand, especially in economics. It's very hard for us to understand, but we always did in a group study and find the answer for that. So I think everyone will agree this. Sometimes a friend's explanation is more better than a teacher's explanation to us. It will make us more understand compared to teacher's way of explanation. So I think that my friends really helped me through this wonderful journey. I wish that we could be success in our life together in future. So and then last but not least, I hope that everyone here will achieve more in their dream universities successfully. Special mention to my dear juniors. Put 100% your effort in what are you doing now, and listen to your teachers' advices, and sure you will achieve more than me, will be more successful one day. At last, I want to thank God for always guide me in good ways. I trust His journey. As I said at the beginning, one day, one fine day will be your day, and this is happening for me and will sure happen for everyone who is sitting in front of me. So thank you for hearing my speech. Once again, congratulations to my fellow graduates and good luck for your future. Thank you.